Hi there guys, it's your DCS back again. So welcome back again in this weekend. So it's a pretty pleasant weekend, I guess I could say that. Well, this time's car is the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, guys. This cool classic is kind of customized into a Frankenstein Mad Max car, I guess. Well, yeah, there you have it, the open hood design. It's kind of nice. It's got 1 out of 10 in HW speed graphics, not the same without the Hobby Slam. This is a legit cool looking car. Look at the back of it. You've got all your official license thing and all with from GM, Goodyear and everything. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, in today's video we are gonna unbox this. So let's go for the unboxing first, then let's talk about it. Here we go. Alright guys, here comes the Bel Air Gasser. Yes, this is a cool one guys, especially the exposed engine. I really like that at the first look itself. And yes, the chrome treatment doesn't end over here. It actually comes from the grille, enters to the engine, and then the interior and all the way to the back bumper. That's pretty dope. I really like that. And yeah, I can't say much about the car because this is kind of like a Mad Max car. And if you didn't notice, the exhaust comes from here guys. Yes, this totally looks like a Mad Max car and it's crazy. So yeah, I can't say much about the design of the car because it is a classic. So yeah, but the detailings are kind of nice, except for some areas. Like for example, here the Goodyear label is messed up, whereas here it's kind of clear. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And the wheels are pretty nice. Doesn't match the car, that is, but it's fine, I guess. And yeah, looking at the bottom, you don't have the name of the car, just some digits. I guess if you type that, you'll get the car. So yeah guys, that's a round look. So why don't we go for the short wheel series info now? Here it comes. Alright, time for the info. This short info is here guys of the Bel Air Gasser. So talking about the engine. The engine is the overhead valve V8, which is 265 cubic inch. And moving on to the horsepower. The horsepower is 162 brake horsepower, which is kinda less because it looks more than that. And the top speed is not defined, but I guess you'll find the top speed of the normal Bel Air guys. So yeah, that's the end of the information guys. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week. Bye. Oh, and also stay safe guys. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.